Not worth keeping. Right. I'm not gonna skip. Come on. Actually, I'm not gonna look. I'll leave the room. And we are! Yes! Yes! My first ever legend! I've got one! I finally next 100k pack! I'm not gonna skip! What? No! Please penance bomb as well! Yes. Blue? Maybe? Why is this thing called? Whoa! What the fuck? What the fuck? Whoa! Okay. No, okay, no, oh my god. Oh my fucking do it. Sick. Ribery's actually really good, you know? I swear it's worth like 500k. I don't know, whatever. Okay, I'm not gonna look. Come on! And we get... I don't know! Was it anyone? Oh, shit! Yes! Skip! And we get no one again. Fake Hazard! No! Hold on. He's worth